Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Daily. I hope you are having a wonderful day. May you enjoy good health, happiness, and success in everything you do. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Every lesson is another step toward speaking English with confidence. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning together. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that everyone loves. Our lesson is called My Favorite Food. Food is an important part of our daily lives. It brings people together. It creates wonderful memories. Today, I will tell you about my favorite food and explain why I love it so much. Along the way, you will learn several useful English words that you can use in real conversations. Before we begin, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy these English lessons, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. Share it with your friends and family who are learning English. Your support helps this channel continue creating simple and enjoyable lessons for learners around the world. Thank you very much. Now, let's get started. First, let me tell you about my favorite food. My favorite food is grilled chicken with fresh vegetables and rice. It is simple. It is colorful. And it always makes me feel happy. Whenever I see this meal on the table, I cannot wait to eat it. The smell is warm and inviting. The colors look bright and fresh. Just looking at it makes me smile. One important word today is delicious. Delicious means something tastes very good. For example, you can say, "This soup is delicious." Or, "The cake is absolutely delicious." Delicious is a wonderful word. It sounds much more natural than simply saying good. Let's say it together once again. Delicious. Next, I love this meal because it is healthy. It gives me energy for the whole day. The vegetables are fresh. The chicken is full of protein. And the rice gives me enough energy to stay active. When I eat healthy food, I feel stronger. I can work better. I can study better. And I have more energy to exercise. Healthy means good for your body. For example, eating fruit every day is healthy. Or, walking after dinner is a healthy habit. Healthy is another excellent word. Native speakers use it every day. Let's remember it together. Healthy. After that, let me tell you about the taste. The chicken is juicy and full of flavor. The vegetables are fresh and slightly sweet. The rice is soft and warm. Everything goes together perfectly. Every bite is enjoyable. Every meal feels comforting. The word taste can be used as a noun or a verb. As a noun, it means the flavor of food. For example, the taste of this soup is amazing. As a verb, it means trying food with your mouth. For example, please taste this sauce. Taste is a fantastic word because you will hear it often in restaurants and everyday conversations. Let's repeat it one more time. Taste. Now, I want to share a special memory. When I was a child, my family often had dinner together on Sunday evenings. My mother cooked grilled chicken for everyone. The whole house smelled wonderful. My father prepared the vegetables. My brother helped set the table. I waited excitedly for dinner because it was always my favorite meal. Those evenings were filled with laughter and warm conversations. Even today, every time I eat grilled chicken, I remember those happy family moments. One important verb today is cook. Cook means to prepare food. For example, my father likes to cook on weekends. Or, I want to learn how to cook better. Cook is such a great everyday verb. You can use it in many situations. Let's say it together. Cook. Next, I enjoy cooking this meal by myself. I wash the vegetables carefully. Then I season the chicken with garlic, pepper, and a little salt. After that, I grill the chicken until it becomes golden brown. While the chicken is cooking, I prepare the rice. Finally, I place everything on one plate. The meal looks beautiful. Cooking is relaxing for me. It gives me time to slow down and enjoy the moment. There are two wonderful phrases here. Season the chicken. Prepare the rice. These expressions sound very natural. Let's hear them once again. Season the chicken. Prepare the rice. After that, I sometimes invite my friends to have dinner with me. We sit around the table. We talk about work. We share funny stories. We laugh together while enjoying the food. Good food always brings people closer. It is not only about eating. It is also about spending time with people we care about. Another lovely phrase is spend time together. Native speakers use it very often. Let's repeat it together. Spend time together. Finally, everyone has a favorite food. Some people love pizza. Some enjoy noodles. Others prefer seafood or fresh salads. There is no right or wrong answer. The important thing is choosing food that makes you happy and keeps you healthy. Today, we learned 4 important words. Delicious. Healthy. Taste. Cook. Let's say them together one more time. Delicious. Healthy. Taste. Cook. Excellent work. The more you repeat these words, the more natural they will become. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned some new English expressions. Keep listening. Keep practicing. And keep believing in yourself. Every lesson helps you become a more confident English speaker. Before you leave, please subscribe to English Daily if you have not already. Give this video a like if you enjoyed today's lesson. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support encourages us to create more lessons for you. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and have a wonderful day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.